Hello, 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 hello. It's Rhonda said, and I'm Rhonda. And it says so right here in case I forget. Welcome to Rhonda Said. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today, I'm really excited. Why? Because I have the new Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, which is called Nouveau. And it's very beautiful. We're going to be doing a look with it. And it's actually a color scheme that I really, really love. And there's supposed to be some duochrome and some shimmers and some mattes and all kinds of good stuff in here. They're trying to keep up with the times. So this Nouveau palette is going to go on my eyeballs. Would you like to see some magic swatches? I bet you would. Let me flip my hair back for you. All right, 1, 2, 3. Bam! Magic swatches. It starts down here. It goes all the way here. And there's a cream color in the middle, but it's beautiful. It swatches very nicely. Cleaned it off so I don't get it on my shirt. On my shirt. It's a smaller shirt because I'm losing weight. That's right, I've broken my stall. I've been exercising for the past 2 weeks. And I'm finally dropping some lbs. I was stalled out for a minute, but now the stall is over and I am losing weight again. Well, I've been losing inches, but pounds has been a little more of a challenge. And look at these little cheeks. They're getting more prominent, which happens as I lose weight as well. So look at this beautiful palette. I'm going to start with this gorgeous color called Fleur in my crease. It's a great crease color. And it's going on really nicely. It's pretty pigmented. I didn't go in heavy with it. And it blends out super cool. Super cool. And the cats are running around being cats, as they are wont to do. They're good kitties. Louie, what are you doing on the desk? Get off the desk. Get off the desk. Louie, get off the desk. And this palette's going to be really great for my eyes. These greens are where it's at. I'm very excited about that. And I've got some Giorgio Armani Eyes to Kill mascara to try out tonight. Which color should I do next? That one. And that is called Wings. It is beautiful. It's a shimmer. We love a shimmer. It's a beautiful pale green. I'm thinking about a friend of mine who's in the hospital right now, and she just cracks me up. What is it that's cracking me up? I can't say. Which is terrible. Let me tell you how funny this thing in my head is, but not tell you. That's where I'm living right now, on that street. I'm going to go into Hope next, which is this darker green. I'm trying to figure out which kind of brush to use. I want a little more control over what I'm doing. So I'm going to use this Luxie brush. Oh yeah, to add a little depth, that's perfect. And this palette is not revolutionary. It is not a color story that is going to change the world, but it's beautiful. It's pretty basic, and I think I love it. Because when I first saw the palette, I was just like, boring, Sydney, boring. But I'm digging it. It's making my eyes so crazy green. That's amazing. And I'm going to go into Isle, which is like a pale golden color, with my fingertip. Put that on my lid. Got a little bit on my underneath there. That makes my eyes look even more green, if that was possible. I'm going to go into Muse, just a tiny, tiny bit, to darken this outer corner. Oh, that was hella dark. Oh, look, I got a whole little line of it over there. That is not working. Let's see if I can put a little foundation there. That's helping. Lord, what am I doing? And it's just a little bit of a shadow to make my eyes pop a little more. A little shadow with the shadows. A little more hope right here. Everyone needs a little more hope. Just a little more, a little bit of wings. That's much better. All right, that lavender just seems like it's thrown in just for fun. I'm going to do some eyeliner and try this new mascara, and I'll be right back. And voila, we have mascara and liner, and I'm just going a little crazy about this look. It's just a little shiny. I don't mind shiny, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this palette now. With the liner and mascara, it usually pulls it all together, but it just feels like it's missing something. Something. What is it missing? I don't know. But let's do some lip color with something that's got some color. Let's go dark. No, that's too dark. Let's not go that dark. Let's go crazy. Let's go with some Gerard Cosmetics 1995. It is a beautiful nudie brown. It's a gorgeous color. It goes on so easy. I think it looks good. Let me get a little tissue and blot the excess. It's a beautiful nudie brown. This is an okay look. I'm not crazy about the Nouveau. I thought I was, but now I'm not so sure. And it gets super messy, super easy. So anyway, I hope that you have a great day or day of your choice. I hope you've enjoyed this look. And this palette remains to be seen. Bye.